Hello and welcome to the Rayants kitchen. Today I'll show you how to cook Rayants smoked swordfish. This fish is lean and moist and firm in texture. It's fully cured and then we smoke it with oak wood, making it a great choice for raw Japanese plates or for cooking as I'll show you today. The beauty of this product, just like all the rest of the Rayants line, is the ease and versatility in cooking. You simply open the box, which has tamper-proof seals on both ends. Remove the inner package and then choose your cooking method. You can use the microwave, you can use your oven, or you can cook on the stovetop. Today we're going to use my griddle. Now, let's get cooking. For the microwave, first, simply open the box, remove the inner sleeve, and then place into your microwave. Set the power on high, and then set for 1 minute. At the end of 1 minute, remove the package by the edges because the fish is going to be hot. Turn it over and place back into the microwave for 1 additional minute, still set on high. At the end of that time, then remove your package, take your probe thermometer and stick it into the thickest part of the fish. You're looking for 74 degrees Celsius, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then just let the fish rest. 5 minutes is good. At the end of that 5 minutes, open the package. There's a little notch here on the end. Just open it right out. Remove the fish and plate. There's going to be some reserve cooking liquid, okay? With that, you just pour right on top. It's that simple. For oven cooking, again, remove the package from the box. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For your rack, put it onto the middle, okay? And then in an oven-proof container, put the fish right in and put it into your oven for 10 minutes. At the end of 10 minutes, just simply take a hold and turn it over and put it back in for 10 more minutes. Then, at the end of that 10 minutes, remove the package, check the internal temperature with your thermometer. Same thing, you're looking for 74 degrees Celsius, which is 165 Fahrenheit. Let the package rest for 5 minutes, and then open and plate just like we did before. For stovetop cooking, it's just a little bit different. We're going to start by putting some oil onto our saute pan. Give the oil just a second to heat up. Again, open the package. This is the different part. Open the package now and remove the fish. Put it onto the hot oil and let it cook. Our total cooking time is between 3 and 5 minutes. That's all. As soon as you start to see browning around your edges, then we'll turn it over. And let it cook on the other side. As soon as it starts to brown on the edges again, now remember this is already cured, so technically it's already cooked. Then check the temperature. You're looking for 74 degrees, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see cooking videos featuring all the rest of our Rayants products. Good day.